Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care Project video. Today we are making a Valentine's themed mosaic using paper. First you'll want to prep some colored paper, and because Valentine's Day is coming up, we're going to be using pink and red. What you want to do is cut the paper into little squares or rectangles. Now you can freehand this part, or you can use a ruler and draw lines. It depends on the person that you're working with. Some people really like to freehand and others do better with the lines. Somehow it seems that the lines will keep them focused and on task better and for a longer period of time. Now after you've prepped the little pieces, go ahead and print out the template of the Dalmatian. Once you've got your template, go ahead and begin gluing pieces onto the paper. You might want to keep your scissors handy in order to cut the squares into smaller pieces, just for those tighter spots. Now from working with clients, I've noticed that there seems to be two ways that people like to approach the gluing. Some people will put glue onto the back of each piece and then stick it down. And others will put glue directly onto the paper and then put the little pieces on top of the glue. Either method is okay, whatever works for them. When you're done filling in your mosaic, you can cut out a bigger rectangle and write your Valentine's message in marker on it, and then glue that onto your project. And there we have it, a sweet little Valentine's puppy dog. Thanks everyone for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe so that you can see other videos like this one. Have a great day.